Hey, welcome. I'm going to discuss about how we can fit data points into a straight line using the LibreOffice Calc program. LibreOffice is a very suitable replacement for the Microsoft Office program, and in doing straight line fitting we will be using the straight line equation mx plus c equal to y, with m being slope and c being the intercept of the straight line. So this straight line fitting is very useful in many statistical applications. So I will have my sheet open now, so where there are x and y values. We will be taking these data points as an example to create our straight line or fitting of data into a straight line. First of all, we will have to prepare a chart from these data points. We can go to the insert menu to insert a chart, or also we can insert a chart from the toolbar, main toolbar. To insert a chart, we will be selecting all the data points x and y values and then go to the insert menu and select chart, or else we will go to the main toolbar and select a chart icon. Here the standard chart has been inserted. We will change this chart type to XY scatter and with points only, without any joining lines, and then proceed to finish off our chart. We will do the usual title of the chart. We can give x and y titles, subtitles. We can display legend of the chart and so on. So we will be creating the chart, and then we will modify or we will apply the least squares fitting procedure into the chart data. So let me quickly get rid of this legend to look a little bit more cleaner. Okay, now it looks a little bit more cleaner. So we have these data points which looks almost falling into a straight line, and we will try to optimize this straight line fitting by using the least squares statistical method, which is done by the software very easily. So to do that, we will be right clicking on any of the data points and click on insert trend line. This is a similar option as available in the Microsoft Excel program as well. For straight line fitting, we will use the linear option here, where there are options to display the equation on the chart and a regression factor. The regression factor will give us how best fit is our straight line. So here it is. This is as simple as that. We have this straight line equation as well as the regression factor. We can see that the regression factor is almost 0.99 for our example. That means it is almost a straight line. Any regression factor more than 0.99 is a very best fit for any case. So this is our equation and the regression factor. So this is how simple it is to plot data points into a straight line. So I hope this will be helpful for many people who have not explored this option yet. And also this Calc or the LibreOffice suite is free to use and it is open source. So it is a quick and easy method and it will serve the purpose. Thank you.